Okay, you are going to have a worksheet to complete that deals with perimeter and area. It's going to have a floor plan, and I'm going to ask you several questions. So this is an example similar to what you'll be doing. And so we're going to go over this example to help you with that worksheet. So I have created a little bit of a floor plan, and we're going to assume that this large space right here is your living room, and it gives the length and the width. And then this area right here is the entryway. All right, so what we're going to be doing is finding perimeter and some areas. And then we're actually going to look at what the cost might be of like laying carpet or crown molding or baseboard, okay? All right, so the first thing that we're going to do, well, I'm going to put this over here. Find the perimeter and area, okay? All right, so what we're going to start with is the perimeter. Now, again, I want to give you a reminder that the perimeter is the distance around. So it's what I'm highlighting in yellow. Okay, now I want to point some things out. So a lot of my students will go, oh, that's easy. That's 24 plus 6 plus 30 plus 21, and they'll stop. Okay, well, let's think that through. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Well, if I walked the perimeter, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So we're missing 2 numbers. So what are the sides we don't have? Here to here and here to here. So we're going to have to think through that. Okay? All right, so let's try to find this right here. Well, I'm going to extend this, and I'm going to cover this for a minute. We know from here to here is 21, so from here to here has to be 21. And if from here to here is 6, then I know this has to be 6. So that means this section right here is 21 feet minus 6 feet, so I know this to be 15 feet. So we have found this side. I'm going to add it down here. So we have one more, which is from here to here. Now, I can't go, oh, 6, 6, 6, and that must be 6 as well. No, what I have to do is look at this and this. So I'm going to extend this out. All right. So from here to here, which would be the same thing as here to here, is 30 feet. And then I know this is 24 feet. So from here to here is 24, and I know it needs to total 30. Therefore, to find this is going to be 30 minus 24, which, lo and behold, it does happen to be 6 feet. Probably should have used different numbers. And if from here to here is 6 feet, then I know here to here is 6 feet as well. Okay, so I need to now, let's see, I had 24 and I had this 6. I now need to add this additional 6. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have all 6 sides. Okay, so this is the perimeter if I were to walk around it. So I add all of those up and I get 102 feet. That's my perimeter. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to, okay, so this is perimeter. Now we're going to look at the area. All right, so I want the area of the living room. So I'm going to take that rectangle. So the area of the living room, length times width. So I'll do this. I'll do living room. Whoops. And we're going to add that to the area of the entry. All right, so the living room is this, which is length times width. So it'd be 24 times 21. Sorry, I'm looking at something. Okay, living room, 24. Okay, so that would be 24 times 21. That's the living room. And I'm going to now add that to the area of the entryway, which length times width, 6 times 6. I have no idea what 24 times 21 is. Turn my calculator on. 24 times 21. So this is 504 plus 6 times 6 is 36. So 504 plus 36, I get 540. And then don't forget, this is area, so it is feet squared. So here's my perimeter. Here's my area. Okay? All right. So now we're going to talk through, All right, so now we're going to talk through of some cost if we were to like lay carpet, put up crown molding, and install some baseboard, okay? So now we're going to talk about some cost. So let's say that I wanted to purchase carpet. And if you went online, you might see something of, okay, this carpet is $13.82 per square foot. All right, $13.82 per square feet. Okay? All right, and let's say we're going to do crown molding. And let's say the crown molding is $2.18 per foot. And then let's do some baseboard. And let's say that it is, I'm just making up numbers here. We'll say $3.21 per foot. Now, we're just going to carpet the living room and the entry. On the worksheet, you may be asked to carpet the living room and then tile the entry. So that could be something that's a little bit different. All right. So for carpet, that deals with area. Okay? So I look up to the area, which it was 540 feet squared. And we're going to multiply that times the cost of the carpet, which is $13.82 per square feet. So how do I want to write that? I'll do per square feet. So I'm going to do, what was it? 540 times 13.82. So it would, wow, that's expensive carpet. $7,462.80. I think I'll buy cheaper carpet. $7,462.80. So that's how much carpet would cost. And that is carpeting the living room and the entry. If I did just the living room, then the area of the living room is 504. That's probably what I should have done, but that's okay. All right, so then we're going to install some crown molding. And crown molding deals with perimeter. All right, so the perimeter was 102 feet times crown molding is $2.18 per foot. So 102 times 218, $222.36. Make sure I put those numbers in right. 102. Okay. Now we're going to do baseboard. Now this is where you have to be careful because remember we have to consider the doorway. So on baseboard, it still is perimeter, but I cannot use 102 because that's not considering a doorway. So obviously the door should be in the entry. So let's say the doorway is here, and we're going to say it is 2 feet, okay? So for the baseboard, first you have to do 102 minus the doorway. So we're going to deal with just 100 feet for the baseboard. So that cost will be 100 feet times, let's see, baseboard was $3.21 per foot. So 100 times $3.21 is 321. So my total cost is taking these three and adding them up. So $7,462.80. Again, buy cheaper carpet. $222.36 plus 321. So the total cost would be $8,006.16. So that example should help you on that perimeter and area worksheet. Be sure and let me know if you have any questions. You can post those in the discussion board. And then be sure and send me your completed worksheet by the time that it's due.